Yes.
Tree.
Guava tree. This is guava tree, and others trees is mango tree. This is mango tree, and right now evening time, so yeah, night coming soon. This here, but this is mango tree, and guava tree. This, this. Okay. Thank you. And this place, land, and this is fish. Have a fish, lot of fish.
Yeah.
Okay. So this around for me, and this is my fatherland. Clear? Can you hear me? Yeah, thank you. I want to say you are my life is a very good friend, and after 5 or 7, 10, and yeah, for ever in the world. Are you agree with me?
Yeah.
Okay, your phone number, cell number for this, give me.
I will do it. But you can first me accept my account.
Okay, please.
See ya, bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye, take care.
Bye, take care.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. See you.
It's almost 3, 6, 7, 4 hours difference here in our country. The time for here.
Yeah,
4
right.
hours different.
Yes.
Can add me or accept me in my...
I can't catch your sentence. Please repeat again. I can't understand your question. Please again repeat.
I said that you can accept me in... Sigurado. Okay? No. Connection failed.
Wi-Fi problem is okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Where is your home?
Yeah, I go to home. Yeah, I go to home right now because this time is evening, and all this evening time already going. So I go to home.
Okay. It's very near or far in your farm?
Yeah, near, very near. Very near. Yeah. What's problem?
Can I see your feet?
Yeah, again. No problem.
Your surroundings here?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Yeah.
The surroundings.
Oh.
No, that's the surroundings. Your place here now.
Oh, place here now. Around in this place. You see? Can you see? What do you say? What does he say?
Weekend, I speak to my son that I want to connect one cell phone through Wi-Fi so that I can search many songs that I see.
Yes. Okay, please give me your phone number and your Facebook ID or Instagram. Give me. Oh, you're looking. They are looking. Hi. Hi. His name. Hi. Hello. Oh, Christian. How old are you? How old are they?
Going to 9 years old.
Oh.
Coming July 19.
Yes. I got it.
July 19.
Mm.
He's coming 9 years old.
Okay, I got it. Where are your husband right now? Right now? Typing? Right now typing? Hand typing? Keyboard?
No,
Oh,
I just prepare this kind of my online business.
oh, online business. Okay, I appreciate it. Yeah, very well.
Extra income.
Extra. Yes. Extra business. Very well. I appreciate it. Because lady, woman is right now your home and other business is very intelligent, your skill and they are artificially intelligent. I always appreciate it because ladies first in this world. I feel that. So it is very good. Most welcome. Now in my village area and outside field in area for me and is my father father around in this ground. Do you understand? Right now it's plus afternoon and evening time, so I'm walking outside, home outside walking sometimes and call this platform and with conversation to me. Six 54 p.m. Yours?
Evening.
Yeah, evening time.
Okay. You're going to school now?
I complete my graduation recently. Complete my graduation in capital city in Dhaka.
Wait a moment, I close the door first.
Okay. No problem.
Your English very clear.
No, I'm learner and I speak English not fluently and confidently, but I'm always learning process, and continue processing right now. But especially you are smiling is very good, and your looking is very beautiful lady. I feel that. I have a question. How to come in this platform, and how many days in this platform, John?
It's almost months only.
Oh, yeah.
3 months.
3 months. But I'm here right now only 2 week, only 2 week in this platform. 2 weeks. Yeah. So few days.
You can try.
Yes.
Try and try.
Yeah, of course. I will try, and right now I'm always try and day by day improve in this platform, and I will try this others countries people for my friend. So I'm very happy, and I'm very impressed for you, because you are most women I can see right now, and you are seeing you want to come in Bangladesh. No, this is my country, is very beautiful country, and this is very beautiful country. Right now, and a small country. It is this is environment is very well, and there are people is very nice, and everyone is very honest and dignity. So you can you come in Bangladesh right now. I invite you.
Maybe someday.
Yes.
Maybe someday.
Okay. Thank you. You follow my ID? Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
You?
I am 26 only.
Oh. Good. Very good. Are you a student?
I'm 39.
Are you a student?
No.
Oh.
I'm 39 years old.
Oh my. You are 39? I can't believe it. I can't believe it, because you are looking very good, and your smile is very young, and especially your face is very young. So I don't believe it. I guess 23 or 21 maybe.
Really?
Different question. I have a question. Can I ask you in English? I have a question.
What kind of question?
I have a question. How many members are there in your family right now?
We have 7. I am the youngest.
Oh yeah. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
We have 5 brothers and 2 sisters.
Oh, nice.
I have one only sister, and
Oh yeah. I like it. But my family only 5 brothers but no sister. Very
you have no sisters.
yeah. Very hard. My broken heart.
We have
Yeah. Sorry.
show my love, you never show. Never love, never end. This feeling of emptiness, it makes me feel sad then again. Then again.
Yeah, most welcome, and very nice, very nice. I like it. I like it. Your beautiful voice. Right now, I am appreciate it because this is awesome song. This is an awesome song. Yeah.
I always sing.
No, okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Uh, 3, 4 years. Okay. Go on. Go on.
I know you for so long, you are a friend of mine. I know this is how it's gonna be. I love you ever if I could tell you, you're so honey. You feel so happy. Never want to see. Lonely, I was so lonely. I had nobody on my own, and I just to show you, you could be hurt me.
Very beautiful scene. Very beautiful song. I like it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are seeing. Where are you from, sister? Philippines. Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah, nice. Many Philippine people in our country right now here. So I'm living Bangladesh. Do you know?
Yeah,
Mm.
they work there as OSW.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Right now, excuse me. Can you hear me?